Hello, everybody. My name is Desmond Evans, and today I watched the Evil Empire speech delivered by U.S. President Ronald Reagan at the National Association of Evangelicals in 1983 during their 41st annual convention. In the speech, Reagan referred to the Soviet Union as an evil empire and as the focus of the evil in the modern world. Reagan addressed the organization of conservative evangelicals to highlight the policy goals of his administration, such as limiting prayer in school and limiting abortions. Most likely to resonate with the interests of the movement, Reagan framed both his anti-communist foreign policy and his domestic social agenda as efforts to combat the rise of socialism. He commended them for their spiritual and humanitarian work and appreciated their prayers for his administration. The nonverbal cues noticed in the speech were nodding when the audience clapped. He would also turn his head towards those in the dais to get their attention. He would also smile when commending the evangelicals. He rarely looked at his notes. Which showed that he had a deep conviction on the topic. At one time, he covered his face to explain how important it was for children to be raised the right way. He closed his eyes as he quoted a man who had said, "I would rather see my little girls die now, still believing in God, than have them grow up under communists and one day die no longer believing in God." Other nonverbal cues in the speech were pausing, when the audience clapped, and sometimes his pitch and tone would change. The quality of the video was good, but at 13 minutes and 58 seconds, the video was interrupted. In some instances, there was background noise from those seated in the dais, making it hard to comprehend what the president was saying. To avoid further interruptions when listening and watching the video, I left the room to avoid distractions. Because I had been distracted. I would have missed critical information in the nonverbal cues. I am poor at multitasking, and I have learned over the years that listening well is important for both the speaker and the listener in order to be understood and to also understand others. We need to listen well and maintain eye contact, focusing on the speaker, asking questions, and remaining open about the conversation. When listening to important conversations, I cannot focus on other things. However, when I do not consider a conversation to be very critical, such as when hanging out with friends, I comfortably engage in other things. For instance, I manage long drives and road trips when conversating with my family and friends. Thank you.